You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? The name of this legendary model by Italian car manufacturer Lamborghini. Is that how you say it? Yes, I think it is. Make sure to stay tuned if you want to learn more names of different Lamborghinis that too many people mispronounce. You know, the Hurricane and others. This one is pronounced as Diablo. This is from Spanish, not Italian. You know, the names of Lamborghinis are from Spanish, not Italian. It means devil. Of course, in Spanish, in Italian, it would be Diavolo, is how it would be said. So it's definitely not Italian. Diablo. Diablo is how it's said in Spanish, or Diablo in English. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.